crypto enabled my little Atari game controller. So you can see right now, can't move, none of the buttons work. So we'll go ahead and make a small payment. Let's see, let's go, we'll do 10 seconds. Or I mean 10 cents. Sorry. And we'll send it. And the light on the controller will go green, letting me know that it's good to go. And we can come pick our game. Let's do Missile Command. Sweet. Level 1, yeah, for sure. Let's see if I'm any good. No. And then when you've got 10 seconds of playtime left, it's like a penny. I've got it configured for a penny for 5 seconds. So maybe that's too long because didn't I pay like 10 cents? Oh, and see, now we got 10 seconds remaining. And now I can't play anymore unless I go ahead and pay again. Let's see, let's pay for a few more seconds. Oh, no! I didn't pay in time. We'll do 5 cents. All right. My time's about up. Now I can't go. None of the buttons work. So, have a great day, guys.